When Queen Victoria died in 1901, an era closed. She left behind a vast empire stretched across continents, powered by factories, railways, and steamships. Yet the 20th century would test Britain as never before. Her son, Edward VII, brought the glitter of the Edwardian age, but beneath the elegance lay unrest. Workers demanding rights, women fighting for the vote, and colonies calling for freedom. Then came the Great War of 1914, a conflict that scarred a generation and shook the empire to its core. Through it all, the crown endured. George V became a steady figure in uncertain times. In World War II, his son George VI stood as a symbol of courage, walking among his people during the darkest hours. The monarchy no longer ruled with power. It reigned by example, offering unity and hope. By mid-century, the empire was fading, replaced by a commonwealth of nations. In 1952, Elizabeth II ascended the throne. Her reign spanned decades of change, decolonization, social reforms, and technological revolutions. Once absolute, the monarchy had become a living tradition, cherished by some, questioned by others, but always adapting, an enduring emblem of continuity in a changing world.